This episode brought to you by
GoPro, be a hero. On this episode of In a Minute, horseback riding in Chicagoland. Let's go! In a minute!
If someone asked what you wanted but couldn't have when you were little, there is a good chance that your answer might be a horse. So when we were invited to come saddle up at Millbrook Trail Rides, we were off without hesitation. We walked on hills that ended in rivers, trotted through the forest, cantered through cornfields, and rode into the sunset. It was enough to take our breath away, and riding on them, we were all in awe, and admittedly a little afraid of these huge, incredible, and majestic creatures. But we were immediately put at ease, for our horses knew exactly what to do and where to go with little help from us. For the ride of your life, you must hang out at Millbrook Trail Rides. Come visit the neighborhood of Millbrook Trail Rides in Chicagoland. Ask for Meredith and tell them you saw them on Let's Go for special incentives and discounts.